Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're stuck on the Google login screen while trying to play Pokemon Unite, don't worry, I've got a quick and final solution that works. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply clear your data and cache, open up your settings. Inside here, go ahead and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. And now inside here, go ahead and search for Pokemon Unite, then tap onto it. Tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Once done, you want to make sure you tap on Reinstall application right over here. Once done, head back to your home screen and then restart your phone after clearing the cache. This refreshes system processes and prevents conflict. So after you do that, go ahead and simply try logging in again. Open up Pokemon Unite and then tap on login with Google and wait for a few seconds and it should be processed without error. If you're still facing the error, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store and then in the search bar simply search for Pokemon Unite. Once you search for it, tap onto it. If you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once it's updated, head back to home screen and if the problem still persists, long press on Pokemon Unite, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted from your device, go ahead and visit the App Store and then reinstall it again. And that's it guys, you should now be able to log in into your Pokemon Unite using your Google account without any problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.